JT and we are here at Pearl Street in San Antonio, which we always like to do when we lived here long ago. And we're starting keto back up. And so this is our last celebratory meal. JT's excited. I'm a little nervous, but we both really need to get healthy and get in shape before we go back to Maui, right?
Yeah. Well, you know, Texas, when you're down here, there's not that there's nothing to do, but you eat a lot and drink a lot and all that good stuff. So
we've been eating a lot.
Yeah, so we're excited to get back to the money.
Yeah, but this is a cute place. It's called Aloha, and it's a Italian restaurant. So I'll show you around.
Coastal.
What?
Coastal Italian.
Oh, different. It's like near the water.
Sure. Yeah, like probably like seafood stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna get grilled octopus. I'll show you in a little bit. But yes.
It's gonna be exciting.
Think of the place?
Very good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Dude, probably maybe I would say top 2 pastas I've ever had in my life.
Yeah, the pasta.
We don't do a lot of Italian. We don't go out for Italian a lot, but it was handmade, super good. It was almost al dente, but perfectly done.
Yeah.
Really well done.
I like the pasta. The octopus was under seasoned, but it was okay.
And then the bruschetta was a home run.
Yeah, it was a beet.
Olive oil.
And
basil.
Cheese. Yeah.
On sourdough, it was so good.
Yes.
But we just took it easy, you know. We didn't go crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And then tomorrow we're gonna get back into the gym.
And
start eating healthy.
Yes, low carbs again. Hey guys, just woke up from a nap. Day 5 on keto, and usually we have treat days on Friday, but because I'm on keto, I'm gonna have a dirty keto day, which means like packaging and not like whole foods, but it's because I'm craving ramen so much, and that's the only reason why I don't really wanna do keto is because of the whole ramen situation. But have you ever heard of Immi? I saw it all over Instagram. Some Asian guys wanted to create a healthy ramen, so they basically made a spicy beef ramen. They have shrimp, they have some other flavors, black garlic chicken, and I picked this up at Whole Foods, not sponsored, but I really hope that they could. But we'll see if it tastes good. 21 grams of protein, keto friendly, so 5 grams of net carbs, and super excited, made out pumpkin seed instead of like soy. And yeah, I'm gonna cook it. I looked at some reviews. People say, actually, like the reviews are high, but then when I see it on YouTube and Instagram, people said that it's just the texture is not right. So I'm gonna go try it real quick. That smells good. It smells like real ramen powder. Okay, just added some steak, some spinach, and let's see how it tastes. Okay, I just finished. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, let's try the broth first. Okay, the broth is really good. I tried the noodles by itself. It actually kind of tastes like pumpkin seed, so let's try it. Okay. It doesn't taste quite like ramen noodles, but I would say I've been very disappointed with fake noodles that try to be noodles. And this one has like a interesting kind of rubbery consistency. And like I said, it kind of has like a pumpkin seed flavor, but after you have like the broth with it, it tastes pretty authentic. Rating it 0, rating it out of, rating it out of a 10, I would say it's probably like a 6.5. A little better than average, and it definitely hits the spot. I'm not disappointed, but I don't think it's the best thing, but out of all the fake ramens, I think it is pretty good. Guys, the broth, without the chili oil that I just added, the broth is really, really, really good. And it has a lot less sodium too. So I'm actually happy. JT and I just had a meeting today, a presentation, and just wanted to show you guys a quick outfit of the day. Very simple, but let me show you. It's just everything all black. I gotta show you guys these shoes. And then finally busted out my Chanel GST again. Yay. I need to clean these mirrors. And then got my hair up in a bun. Vintage necklace, earrings. My mom's vintage amethyst that she gave me. So yeah, outfit of the day. Wow, the Canon G7X quality is like so much better. Wait, how do you tell which one's which? She told Daddy.
Yeah, I know. So that's Mommy's, that's yours, that's Kai's, that's mine.
This is mine?
Yes.
My bad.
Hiya.
Want a piece of fried chicken in there?
What? Oh, you're so cute.
That's good.
We're eating at this ramen place, but I don't want to vlog because I'm hangry. Because I'm on treat day of keto, and JG just told me that I am, my blood sugar's low because I've been relying on sugar rather than the protein and high fat.
Yep.
And yeah, I'm like super hangry. I could tell the difference.
But that's gonna be good because we're hungry and the food's gonna be super rewarding, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Let's see how this ramen is.
Oh.
Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I realized this vlog was pretty much all about food, which I love. I started keto when I started this vlog about 3.5 weeks ago. I had the Mother's Day weekend, which I cheated for the whole weekend. We went to the melting pot with my mom, and then the weekend we went to ramen and went to some nice resorts. So honestly, I don't really vlog very much, but I really wanted to show you guys that lower carb option of ramen because I've been really loving it. And yeah, 3.5 weeks and I've been doing pretty well on keto. I'm gonna continue it for like 2 more months. I've only lost a couple pounds of water weight, and it's actually getting really easier to like handle. I really love that I'm not like relying on sugar. I mean, oh my gosh. I'm actually quite proud of myself. So yeah, and I feel great. So I'm gonna check in and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!